Assalamualaikum students, I hope you will be well. Today we are going to solve review exercise of chapter number 2 because we have already completed the chapter number 2. Let's start review exercise of chapter number 2. The question number 1 is answer the following questions. मदरजा झैल सवालात के जवाबात दे. Part 1 is define a rational number. एक रैशनल नंबर की तारीफ़ करें. आ नंबर दैट कैन बी एक्सप्रेस्ड, एक नंबर जिसको हम बयान कर सकते हैं इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पी ओवर क्यू, पी बटा क्यू की शक्ल में, इज़ कॉल्ड आ रैशनल नंबर. तो हम इसे एक रैशनल नंबर कहते हैं. बट क्यू इज़ इक्वल नॉट ज़ीरो. इट मीन्स if we write a number in numerator and denominator form, we can say that is the rational number, but the denominator cannot be zero of any rational number. The part 2 is write the additive inverse of the rational number a. हमने rational number a का additive inverse लिखना है. We already have discussed in previous lectures that additive inverse of any number will be the changed same value but with changed sign. Means if positive, then we will change it negative to made it additive inverse. For example, it is a positive a, then we will the answer is negative a is the additive inverse of a. The third part is what is the reciprocal of the rational number p over q और q इज़ इक्वल नॉट ज़ीरो. हमने रेसिप्रोकल बताने. रेसिप्रोकल मीन्स उलट. उलट मीन्स डिनोमिनेटर को हमने न्यूमिनेटर बना देता है, न्यूमिनेटर को डिनोमिनेटर बना देना है, तो वो हमारा रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा. एंड द आंसर इज़ q ओवर p. पार्ट नंबर 4, राइट द सम ऑफ टू रैशनल नंबर्स p over q and r over s. In order to write the answer of a rational numbers, sum of rational numbers, we multiply the denominator of second value with first numerator and the first denominator with second numerator. For example, p will be multiplied by s, ps, plus r multiplied by q, rq, and denominator will be multiplied with each other in order to make the denominator of the sum. Part number 5, what is the rule to find the product of two rational numbers. दो rational numbers को find करने के लिए कौन सा rule जो है वो इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. The multiply the numerator of one rational number by the numerator of the other number. In order to find out the product of two rational numbers, we have to multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Similarly, multiply the denominator of both rational numbers. इसी तरीके से हम दोनों की rational numbers को भी denominators को भी multiply करेंगे. Part 6 is what are the inverse operations of addition and multiplication. इनके इन्वर्स ऑपरेशंस क्या हैं एडिशन और मल्टीप्लिकेशन के. टू फाइंड द एडिटिव इन्वर्स ऑफ आर नंबर, चेंज इट्स साइन. टू फाइंड द मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स ऑफ आर नंबर, राइट द न्यूमिनेटर एज डिनोमिनेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर एज न्यूमिनेटर. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 रिव्यू एक्सरसाइज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज़ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. हमने ब्लैंक्स को फिल करना है. द फर्स्ट वन इज़ the dash consist of fractions as well as integers. कौन से नंबर्स हैं जो फ्रैक्शंस और इंटीजर्स दोनों पर मुश्तमिल होते हैं. दीज आर रैशनल नंबर्स. रैशनल नंबर्स जो हैं वो आपके फ्रैक्शंस मीन्स जो बटे की सूरत में पी ओवर क्यू की शक्ल में होते हैं उस पर, और इंटीजर्स दोनों पर मुश्तमिल होते हैं. पार्ट 2 इज़ द रैशनल नंबर्स पी ओवर क्यू एंड माइनस पी ओवर क्यू आर कॉल्ड डैश inverse of each other. P over q and minus p over q, these are the additive inverse of each other. As you can say, the value p over q is same but the sign is changed, and when this situation is held, we can say that these are the additive inverse. Part 3, a number that can be expressed in the form of P over Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is equal to 0 is called the rational numbers. Is called the dash. These are the rational numbers. Part 4, 0 is called additive identity, whereas 1 is called dash identity, multiplicative identity. Part 5, the rational number 0 over P is equal to 0 has no dash, reciprocal, because we can say that we already have discussed that if we change it in reciprocal, the answer will be P over 0, which means that these are not rational number, because in the definition of rational number we already have discussed 0 cannot be denominator of any rational number. Part number 6, the dash inverse of a rational number is its reciprocal. The multiplicative inverse of a rational number is its reciprocal. जस्ट मल्टीप्लिकेटिव में ही किसी भी नंबर का जो है रेसिप्रोकल आंसर होता है. The third question number 3 is टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. हमने सही ऑप्शन को टिक करना है. क्वेश्चन इज a number that can be expressed in the form of P over Q, where P, Q belongs to C and Q not equal to 0 called. We already have discussed many times in this chapter that these are the rational numbers which can be written in P over Q and Q net is equal not 0. These are the rational number. Thus the right answer of this part is rational number. So the answer is rational. Part 2 is the additive inverse of 2 over 3 is. It will be minus 2 over 3 because the value will be same, only the sign will be changed. That's why minus 2 over 3 is the answer. Part 3, the multiplicative inverse of minus 4 by 7 is minus 7 by 4. The sign will be same, but numerator will be changed into denominator and denominator will be changed into numerator. It is called multiplicative inverse. 1 over 3 plus 1 over 2. As you can see, 3 and 2 we have to multiply 2 with 1 and 3 with 1. 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3 and 3 to 6. 3 or 1, 5 by 6. The answer is 5 by 6. The part 5 is 2 by 5 divided by minus 4 by 5. The answer is minus 1 over 2. This is your today's lecture. Now on today's your diary is to learn classwork. Take care. Allah Hafiz.